Hello guys, welcome to Trade the VIX, where I share my volatility index strategy. This is Monday 28th July 2025. I just caught this trade yesterday night, and then I woke up this morning and then I saw that the trade really plays out well. So this is my strategy that I always share with you, my 80% win rate strategy. Yes, this is Volatility 25 first index. So let me show you how the setup happens. So the market was on a downtrend. When the market came down, then the market retraced back here. This is a pullback, the last pullback of the move. When the market, this green candle took out this red candle high. So this one is a pullback. Then after the pullback, then the markets drop down below up to this level. Then the markets move up again to clear out the last pullback here, the last retracement here. The market cleared it out. Then the market came down, but it fails to break below this lowest point. Then the markets move up again and clear this level, which is first level of break, second level of break. Then the markets, then after that I marked my order block. Then the market came down into the order block, and then the markets move up, just as you can see. So when the market entered into the order block, I waited for my confirmation entry, but I didn't see, so I didn't react. I didn't take any trade. I still waited patiently. So this is where I finally saw the confirmation. That is where the market gave me my own confirmation entry. So that is where I entered the trade. So as you can see, the market is moving up well. So, and my take profit is hit already. So as you can see, it is the level where I put my take profit. So that is it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to grow this account. Please subscribe. I will still be dropping some trade examples with you. Thank you very much. This is a trade from my MetaTrader 5. So look at how everything went well. So look at the trade. Yes, guys. So that is it. Thank you.